Ultima residence. Alright, we're here at Ultima Residences. This is for our stay in Cebu with my friends. So this is the inside look of the property. So this is the kitchen, the rice cooker, microwave oven, and we have refrigerator. Okay, and then near the door is the CR. So this is the CR. Okay. So this is the CR. Okay. CR. And then, of course, the living room. With the TV, the aircon. We have here a table in case you have something to write, to study. Okay. The living room, the couch, the table. Of course, they have also the billiard table. Okay, be hello there. And display, of course, being religious. And of course, the view of Cebu City. Alright, so this is Cebu. Alright, Cebu, and then here. So we are on the 17th floor. There goes the Chung Hospital and Summit Circle. Okay, and I'm too scared to go near the window. We also have on the 2nd floor. Okay, the steps here. So there are beds. Oh, okay. There are 2 beds here. There's an extra bed and extra foam. Okay. Bed here. And let's turn on the lights. Okay. The bed. There's a table also. And then aircon, of course, here above. Okay. The window, of course, the view on the window. You look at the Cebu City. Let's zoom. Oh, Cebu City. Okay. And I'm too scared to go near it. Table, chandelier. Okay. Okay. There's also a CR here. Okay, so there's an ICR. CR. Okay. We have here cabinet. Decorations. Okay. Towels, of course. What else? So what is this? Let's see. Okay, another cabinet. If you're not afraid stepping near the window, then it's better. What a nice view here. I have a fear of heights. And these are my friends. By the way, that's my wife. And the billiard. Okay, let's get it on, Cebu. I'm not afraid to go near the window. Okay, this is very nice. Oh my god. What a nice view here. Okay, this will be the table. Shoot here. Oh my god. Okay.
Saan mo kamustot kanina?
Ikaw na maimig din.
Whoops. Yo, that's how we do it. Let us go billiard here.
You know to play billiard.
Alright, boards, but I cannot hit it on how to hold. I can shoot it.
Here, the hole.
Did you see that? I'm the next Efren Barang Reyes.
Your tummy is so...
Did you see that? That's my job.
Your tummy is so...
Oh!
Oh.
Shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna shoot this. Oh my god, miss again. Did you see that? How about number 15? Did you see that? Oh my god. That's how you do it, guys. Number 4. What? Shoot ba? Number 2. Did you see that? Oh my god!
Sampak.
Sorry.
Oo.
Okay, like.